Okay, you search for download Python. Okay, you go for the first link.
Okay.
Okay,
One second.
click it. Okay, download the latest version for Windows. Okay, so that button you click it.
Okay. Now,
It's asking you to fill form. Do you currently use a document management system software? Uh, that shouldn't come. Okay. Okay, why don't you open a new tab
uh,
or go to the previous tab, download tab. That no, no, that one. Yes. Click one more time. See, it's downloading. Okay. You click that one. Why are you closing? You need that. Okay.
okay.
Okay. See,
Now,
install now. Yeah. Click that button. Install now.
okay.
Now wait for a minute. It is installing. Let it finish.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Setup was successful. Now go to command prompt. CMD.
One,
CMD. Type in search. CMD below. Just close this one first.
okay. Now here.
Okay. There. CMD.
EM, EMT.
Okay. Open up the command prompt. Now you are typing here. Okay. Like Python.
But on.
Enter. Okay. Close
Okay.
it. Close it. It's going to the Microsoft Store. Close it.
Okay.
Okay. Go to command prompt. No, there is open already. Okay. Just type Python space hyphen two times hyphen
Uh,
minus sign.
okay, 1 second. This is it.
It's a hyphen minus sign. It's a underscore that you use it. There it is. Like above P later.
Uh, huh.
Two times you have to
Okay.
press. Okay. Now version. Type version. Okay, enter. It's not found. Okay. Python 3. Use arrow key, up arrow key. Previous command will appear. Okay, Python 3. Go to that Python after n, put 3. Use arrow key, left arrow key. Use left arrow key. To get there, use okay, arrow key. Okay. 3. Okay, enter. It's not found. Okay. So that means we have to do some settings. Okay. So what you do? Go to C drive, folder. Go to folder, C
Okay.
drive, C drive, OS, that one. Do you see here like Python folder created? Scroll down. Go to. It's not created outside, I guess. It has installed inside. Program files. Go to program files. Go to program files. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have Python here? Go to the other
No.
program files. Go back. Previous folder. Okay. Scroll down. That program files 86. Click that one. You should use double click.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Is
Okay, it's
not
not
there.
in here also, no? Okay, we'll find out. Okay, that where setup is actually, you should not have it like this once you install it. Okay, let's download the software. Okay, we'll figure it out. So download the software now. Visual Studio Code. Go to Google. Go to Google.
1 second. Okay. Okay, what is it?
Visual Studio. VISUL
Audio code, right?
code. Yes. Download. Okay. Yeah, download option is there. No? Download. No, not that one. Below. Okay. All right. Download it. Click on the Windows. Yeah, click on it. Okay. So it should download. Okay. Click it. Open it. Okay. Okay. It started installation, I guess. I accept.
Okay, next.
Next. See, remember the path. Okay. So that you know where it's installing this software. Okay. All right. So it's in users. Okay. And some data, app data, program, and Microsoft VS Code. Okay. Just do click next. Then it's okay. Next, create desktop icon. Okay,
Next.
it will create a shortcut icon there. Okay. Then next, install. Okay, this is like editor. Okay, in this one you have to code. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now do I click finish?
Yes, it will launch the after finishing. It will launch the Visual Studio Code. Okay, finish.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now what?
Okay, so that editor is open, no? So you have to choose the like theme. Okay, what
Okay, I'll
theme?
just
White or black? Which one do you like?
black.
Okay, so it's like dark, modern, dark, high contrast. Okay, choose first one. Okay, very good. So you choose that one. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Then
Now,
close this window now. Next section is that. Okay, open up the Visual Studio.
how
Go to search, type Visual Studio Code
here?
in the search. Yes, or you can find the okay. There is a app. Okay, click it. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So it will open. See. Here, there's a left side menu, okay? Top left.
Here.
Yeah, first one. That one. That one. Yes, it's a explorer. Okay. So here you have to see on the first you have to create a folder, Python folder. Okay. So create Python folder somewhere in like your favorite location. Okay. So go to folder and create a Python folder first. Go to folder.
A folder. Okay.
You create just a
Here.
new folder. Okay.
A new file right here.
No. Go to folder. I said not new file, open file. I said go to folder. Go to folder drive. Did you create a folder?
1 second.
Yeah, do it quickly. Don't waste time. I just asked you to create a simple folder.
Okay.
It's
Done.
done.
Yes.
Okay, now open this folder, okay, from the Visual Studio Code. So go to not from here. Close it. Go to Visual Studio Code. Go to the
Okay.
application Visual Studio Code. Okay, now here click on the open folder there, not there. Okay, yes, in the Explorer. Now go to desktop and select that folder. Okay, the first one. Yes, select folder. Click the button, select folder. Okay, very good. Now you are in your that folder. Okay, so whenever you are creating new files, no. Okay, so it will be created inside that folder. Okay, so now take your mouse over the Python.
Okay.
Okay, now there is, see on the same side, there is new file. Okay, okay, click on that. Give it a name hello.py. Hello.py.
Okay.
Did you give dot?
Yes.
Okay, now type there print hello.
Print.
Double quotation. Double quotations. Hello. Okay, now you
Oh no.
cannot save this one. Control S.
Yes.
Okay, now you cannot run this one. Okay, as because you didn't have extensions installed here. You don't have extensions here. So go to extension just on the left side menu, bottom one, the blocks one. That one. Click. There you type Python. There is it's a Python appeared automatically. Okay, that one.
This one.
Yes. Like how many
Yes.
millions are there? It's
Oh,
not Python, it's Pylance. Python, we want
oh,
Python. Type Python completely first on in the search. Okay.
Okay,
The
sir.
first one you install, click on the install button. Okay, so it's installing. So scroll down. Meanwhile, you read what it has here. See, you have to scroll down a little bit. No, you don't have to go to the bottom of the page. Scroll down little bit. Okay, read the quick start. See, first you install Python, which we have done. Next, install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code, which we are doing now. Okay, then we open the Python file and start coding. Okay, you understand?
Okay.
So we are doing step number 2. Okay, your extension is installed, I think.
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Now go to that program, go to your folder, Explorer. Go to Explorer, left side. No, no, not there. Hold on, hold on. You listen to me carefully. Top one, first one, Explorer. Yeah, that one. Okay. Select your file, hello.py. Okay.
Okay.
Now, the run button appears on the top right. Right.
Uh,
Do you see the run button? No, not that. The left side. No, no.
this one.
This one. Run it. You got it?
Run.
You got the output? See, terminal there only output. Yes.
Yes.
You got the output now? Okay. So
Yes.
this is how you should run your programs in Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Okay.
All right, then that's it for today. Okay, we'll see more about this in tomorrow's session. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for joining today's session. Have a nice day. We have completed installation today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.